What's up, you guys? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back once again with another video. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today this is for my project because, quite frankly, I didn't understand how to put it on paper or whatever. I got to put it on paper, but I didn't have it organized. So today I'm giving you a verbal I guess lesson. I don't know what it's called, but this is for graph and linear equations choice board. So for the first one I'm going to talk about, it is going to be the foldable, which is F. So I didn't really make a foldable, that's what I'm going to tell you. So the section 1 talks about graph and linear equations using slope-intercept form. So first we have to understand what slope-intercept form is. What's the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, which m equals slope, the slope of the line, and b is the y-intercept. And the thing looks like, kind of doing now. Hold up. That y equals mx plus b, but it's not going to show it because the camera says it. So before we get started with what little bit we have gotten started with, I just want you to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and feel free to comment down below, ask questions. Yeah. But don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so slope-intercept form. What does it mean? It means you can graph the line. You could find a slope using slope-intercept form, and you can find the equation of the line. And when you find it, you would be solving for B. Yeah. And so the variable used for slope is M, or the variable used to represent the slope, which would be M. So the 2 points will give us the numbers and the variable that replaces subscripted, which is y, and then y sub 2, y sub minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is subscripted variables. And it looks like this. I have my binder right here, by the way, and I have this paper. So yeah, and right now we are still talking about the F. So let me just use this. Okay, so y sub or subscripted and 2 minus y 1 over x 2 minus x 1 equals M. I know it's like not really good, but oh well. Hold on. So yeah. Hold on. So it just says y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So for an example, because it says in each section give examples and explanation on how to graph each type of equation. Hold on, let me set the camera back down on the cameras. As you can tell, this is not where I usually shoot my videos from. I usually either shoot it downstairs or I shoot it in my room. This is not my room. But yeah, just that little fact. So give examples. An example would be 2, 0, and then 0, 4. And how you find the slope would be rise over run or delta y over delta x. And what delta y over delta x basically says is rise over run. And it also means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then, so the example for this would be 2, 0 and 0, 4. And how I worked it out was 4 minus 0. Well, let me just make it. Okay, so you can see it, right? Yeah. So can't really tell, can you? No. I'll use a marker. I don't care. Let me just go ahead and use this piece of paper. Ooh, my dad is gonna kill me. Sorry if you can hear that background noise. I didn't mean for it to be that way. Wait, no. I did it wrong. Okay, so I wrote this right here. So that just says example 2, 0 in parentheses and has a little thing separating and 0, 4. So it looks backwards in your camera. I don't know why. Let me just flip this camera around real quick so you can see everything I'm doing. From here on out, you will not be seeing me. Just saying. So